Ada is a 25-year-old NYSC member serving in Lagos. Like many graduates, she was stuck, no job offers, no savings, just a monthly allowance that barely covered transportation. But everything changed when she discovered a business that could turn 50,000 naira into 4.3 million naira in just 15 months. And no, it's not crypto or forex, it's just 2 weeks poultry brooding. One day, while scrolling online, Ada saw a post about 2 weeks brooding, buying day-old chicks, raising them for just 14 days, and selling them for profit. It sounded too good to be true. But with nothing to lose, she decided to try it with her last 50,000 naira. Here is exactly how Ada spent her 50,000 naira startup capital. 100 day-old chicks, 30,000 naira. She bought it from a trusted supplier in Ogun State, Nigeria. Feed, 15,000 naira. Starter mash for the first 2 weeks. Brooder setup, 5,000 naira. A simple wooden box with heat lamp to keep the chicks warm. Total 50,000 naira. Her goal, sell all 100 chicks after 14 days. For 2 weeks, Ada woke up at 5 a.m. to feed the chicks, change their water, and clean the brooder. It wasn't easy. Some chicks got sick. She had to learn fast about poultry antibiotics. After 14 days, the chicks were healthy and ready for sale. Ada sold each chick for an average of 800 naira, making about 80,000 naira in total. After deducting her initial 50,000 naira, she made 30,000 naira profit in just 2 weeks. But instead of spending it, she reinvested to upgrade her brooder and bought more chicks. This was the beginning of her compounding strategy. Here is the maths that changed Ada's life. Every 2 weeks, she reinvested a large portion of her profit. Watch how 50,000 naira grew to 4.3 million in 15 cycles. That's about 30 weeks. The first cycle, she had an income of 80,000 naira. She reinvested 12,000 naira and got a new stock of 150 chicks. By the third cycle, she was able to put together 240,000 naira. She put in 36,000 naira and got 300 chicks. By the sixth cycle, she had a total income of 720,000 naira. She this time put in 108,000 naira, bought 500 chicks, and got a better brooder. By the 12th cycle, her total income was over 2.8 million. She put in back 420,000 naira, got 1,000 chicks, but this time hired a help. By the 15th cycle, the total money in her hand was over 4.3 million. She expanded her businesses and her marketing strategy, not just to focus on selling to housewives, but looked for markets where 2 weeks birds were being sold. Ada's story proves that with consistency, reinvestment, and resilience, you can turn a small side hustle into a life-changing business. So what's stopping you? Drop a comment below. Hashtag ready to start if you are inspired to try this business. What challenges do you think you will face? Let's discuss the solution in the comments below.